Welcome back to Life on Automate. Today we're going to dive into one of the most powerful features inside ChatGPT, projects. Projects are like your personal digital workspace, where you can group chats, upload files, set custom instructions, and stay organized across everything you're working on. Whether you're managing a big project, a personal hobby, or just want to keep things tidy, Projects makes it simple and powerful. So let's get started by creating a brand new project. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the sidebar. Typically it's closed when you open the page, but if you click here, this will open up this little sidebar here. So you see here in the first section, you've got projects. So to create a new project, you simply just click on the plus sign, and then we're going to give it a pretty standard, easy name here, pretty generic. Let's just call it ChatGPT projects demo. So now I'm going to click here and it will create the project. So let's explore now what we can do inside this project. So you're gonna have a standard search bar just like you would on a normal ChatGPT search. And then, so we're gonna look at the first piece, which is files. Now, this is one of the coolest parts. You can basically upload files directly into your project. You can click the Files tab and drag and drop or select files from your computer. So either way, if you want to click here, you can add files here, or you can just drop your projects straight into there. So one of the really cool things here is you can throw in, PDFs, spreadsheets, presentations, and then ChatGPT will allow up to 10 files per project. And you can use this as kind of like its own little library that the project can work from. The max for right now for files is 100 megabytes. So I'm going to close this up, and then let's talk about instructions. Now, instructions, let me click on it here. So for instructions, you can basically tell ChatGPT what style you want, what information it should prioritize, or even what role to play. Like an acting marketing consultant or speak like a friendly tutor. Those are kind of the things you can drop in there. There is a character limit that changes from time to time that you may have to work with, but overall you typically will be able to put in whatever instructions you would need. It's extremely powerful for keeping your chats focused and saving you time. Let me click out of here. So then, starting and managing your chats. So there's no more hunting around for chats. So once you put it in here, so let's just put, I would like to start a test chat or demo. And then you see here instantly, it appears here. It's going to name the chat how it typically would. And then all your chats can be found in here. As you continue adding them, they'll be placed in here. You can also drag and drop. So yeah, I can take this one here, and I can drop it if I wanted to. I can drop it into the folder, and then sometimes it takes a little second to load, but it will throw it in there, and then that will become part of your project as soon as it gets added in. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see, projects in ChatGPT gives you the structure and flexibility to supercharge how you work, learn, and create. So if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Below, we've got a bunch of tutorials coming up. We also have some history pieces on AI and some other fun things coming along. So see you next time.